Have you ever wondered why some people seem to grow stronger after each failure, while others give up as soon as things get hard? Have you asked yourself why some people improve their skills over time while others stay the same? The answer often lies in the kind of mindset we choose to live with. In today's fast-changing and demanding world, having a growth mindset is not just a helpful attitude. It is one of the most important tools for long-term success and personal fulfillment. A growth mindset is the belief that our abilities, intelligence, and talents are not fixed, but can be developed through dedication, learning, and effort. People with a growth mindset are more open to challenges, more resilient in the face of obstacles, and more committed to lifelong improvement. In contrast, a fixed mindset is the belief that our skills are set in stone, that we either have a talent or we do not, that we are either smart or not smart, and that failure defines who we are. A fixed mindset limits our potential and stops us from growing. To live fully, achieve more, and feel empowered, we need to move away from this limited view and embrace the power of a growth mindset. In this video, we will explore what a growth mindset really means, how to identify your own patterns of thinking, how to face challenges with courage, and how to build sustainable habits that will help you grow continuously. Along the way, we will learn from real-life stories and practical tools that you can use right away to shift your thinking, overcome fear, and build a mindset that works for your success. First, let us understand what a growth mindset is and how it is different from a fixed mindset. A growth mindset is a way of thinking that believes people can get better through effort, learning, and persistence. It means you may not be good at something today, but you can become better if you try. On the other hand, a fixed mindset believes that your abilities are natural and cannot change. If you are not good at math, you think you will never be. If you fail once, you think you are a failure. But with a growth mindset, failure is seen as part of learning. Mistakes are not the end. They are just steps along the journey. Research has shown that students who believe they can improve tend to perform better, and athletes who believe they can grow are more likely to keep training hard. Even in business, people with a growth mindset are more likely to take risks, try new things, and bounce back after setbacks. Famous examples include Thomas Edison, who tried hundreds of times before inventing the light bulb, or J.K. Rowling, who faced many rejections before Harry Potter became a success. These people believed in progress. They believed in growth. And so can we. Now, let us talk about understanding your mindset. The first step to building a growth mindset is to become aware of how you think. Do you often say, "I cannot do this," or "I am not good at that"? These are signs of a fixed mindset. A person with a growth mindset might say, "I cannot do this yet, but I can learn." Self-reflection is a powerful tool. Take time to think about your thoughts and beliefs. When you face a challenge, do you give up quickly? Do you feel embarrassed when you make mistakes? Or do you see mistakes as a chance to grow? Being honest with yourself is not always easy, but it is important. Write down your thoughts. Notice your habits. Start asking yourself, is this belief helping me or holding me back? Once you become aware of your fixed mindset patterns, you can begin to change them. You can replace negative thoughts with positive ones. You can say, "This is hard, but I will keep trying." The more you practice this kind of thinking, the more natural it becomes. The next step is to embrace challenges as opportunities. Many people try to avoid hard things. They do not want to fail. They do not want to look weak. but this fear holds them back. Growth comes from doing difficult things. When we face challenges, our brain works harder. We become stronger. We learn new skills. A person with a growth mindset does not fear challenges. They welcome them. They see them as a chance to grow. Failure is also important. Instead of saying, "I failed, I give up," we can say, "I failed, so I learned." Every mistake teaches us something. Every setback gives us new experience. To grow, we must stop seeing failure as something bad. It is not the end. It is a lesson. Many successful people failed before they succeeded. They did not give up. They kept going. You can do the same. Build your can-do attitude. Tell yourself, "I will try again." When things go wrong, do not run away. Face them. That is how we grow. Once you begin to think differently, it is time to create habits that support your growth. Success does not happen overnight. It comes from daily choices. One helpful habit is setting SMART goals. SMART means specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-based. These goals help you stay focused and give you something clear to work toward. For example, instead of saying, "I want to be better at English," say, "I will study English for 20 minutes every day for 1 month." Another powerful habit is learning from many sources. Read books, watch videos, talk to people who inspire you, try new things. Each new experience helps your mind grow. Also, practice positive self-talk. The words you say to yourself matter. Instead of saying, "This is too hard," try, "This is a chance to grow." Celebrate your small wins. When you make progress, take time to feel proud. These small victories build confidence. They remind you that you are moving forward. Growth mindset is not a one-time thing. It is a way of living. Finally, to build a sustainable growth mindset, you must stay committed. Growth takes time. It is a journey, and every journey has ups and downs. That is why self-reflection is important. Take time each week to ask, "What did I learn? What can I do better next time?" Reflecting helps you adjust your path. You also need support. Share your goals with someone you trust. Find a friend, a teacher, or a mentor. Talk to them when you feel stuck. Let them remind you of your progress. Surround yourself with people who believe in growth. Their energy will help you stay strong. Also, be a role model. Share your story. Talk about your efforts and your progress. Inspire others to grow with you. Growth is not something you do alone. When we grow together, we create a better world. Thank you for joining me today. Thank you for opening your heart and your mind. Remember, success is not about being perfect. It is about getting better. One step at a time. A growth mindset is not something you are born with. It is something you build every day with your thoughts and your actions. So the next time you face something hard, smile and say, "This is my chance to grow."